Alright, what's up you Hoagies out there? We're gonna do something else to the Mk6. Now we're gonna put on some Go Low boys.
Tie-dye boys.
I can go get a tie-dye shirt.
Yeah.
I have a tie-dye shirt.
No, I don't have a tie-dye shirt on.
I'm gonna go get
Wait, you guys both have tie-dye shirts on?
Yeah. Let me go get my tie-dye shirt.
No, don't, because I don't want to feel left out.
Actually, I have a tie-dye shirt that I haven't
Sick.
So yeah, we're putting coilovers on the Mk6 today. So it's gonna be lower and louder now. And then next, you just gotta get wheels.
I would get spacers until you can like, really afford good wheels.
Can you
No, we can't sing it because we'll get banned off YouTube.
No, we could sing it. You could. I think you have up to 11
Jack
seconds.
it up, dude.
I know.
When they use a pump and they're like,
French Canadian. All right.
might see these bananas.
So
I like bananas.
Remember to put your car on jack stands.
Put it on the hose.
Or don't, whatever. We don't care what you do. Just kidding. I think I have to put that in as a disclaimer, right? Isn't that how this works?
Yeah.
Yeah, lowered already.
Hold on.
You guys are weird. Your YouTube is weird.
YouTube is weird.
Welcome to our
my dad to
YouTube.
follow us.
So how big is Ralph's penis?
Kev, realistically, are the rumors true?
Kev, do you think when you guys come down for the weekend, Ralph will show me? Shout out to Kevin's dad if you're watching this.
What type of light bulb is this?
I don't know, but it's right in my face is what it is.
How come that bulb's not a black light bulb? So when you're doing this, you gotta replace the...
Sway bar end links, but they should, your coilovers, if they're real, they should come with some.
They're BFI coilovers.
Solo works.
Solo works.
All the same thing.
Yeah. Did you have to buy those separate?
No, it can't.
Oh, it came with them?
I'm just seeing what steps to take. I can't get that one bolt off, so it's a hard angle to get at.
You see it?
Because you have to clear the spring, loosen this.
What does the rear setup look like? So it's like a spring with an adjustable thing on it, then just a shorter strut? Or no strut at all?
Shorter strut.
Alright, got the bolt out, so you drop this a little bit. Then we get that loaded spring. And that should be able to come out, right?
Yeah.
There you go.
Got him.
Alright, that's it. Put the wheel back on.
Sick.
And that's how
Now
you
we
lower
get-
your Mk6.
That bolt there, which is a 20.
Alright, so we took that one out and now we're putting this big one in.
I got a lift kit.
Lift it.
Lift it.
Dang, look at that stock boy.
Stock boy click.
Stock boy
Yeah, I
mafia.
can see.
Got the spring off. Got the shock off. Now Brian just has to tell me what goes back on.
I weigh 127 pounds.
Success.
Jesus Christ.
What if one day I can't drive my Mini somewhere? It's like if I don't dump the Crown Vic, I won't be able to hang out with you guys.
That's why you're forced to take the Mini, not the Crown Vic.
Well, I wanted to drive the Mini, dude. It felt amazing.
I'm a bad influence on everyone.
Not a
Yeah,
bad-
you are.
Wait a minute here. What in the fuck is this bullshit?
But
What?
Where's your old strut?
Right there. The same.
Oh, this tab sits under it. I was like, what kind of hole is that? Is not big enough.
You
This is like
I've
Ralph's
heard that
life.
before.
Doesn't work.
You're putting anti-seize on there?
Yes.
Cool.
It is cool.
You know, you could explain to the camera. You don't have to be shy.
I'm a shy boy.
It's me explaining.
Shy boys.
It's always me explaining what's going on with everybody else's car.
like,
Yeah, I don't know. He's
okay,
doing
we're
something. I
totally-
don't know. You want to tell him about it?
No.
All right. Yeah. So this is Brian's car, and he's lowering it. I guess. Is that right?
It's being
Well, yeah.
loaded.
I guess he's lowering it.
Well, yeah, I guess. Oh, the camera's on? Oh, shit.
Oh shit, better shut up. Quit talking.
Nothing. Didn't say anything.
Ralph's vlog.
This-
This is the
We're changing from Hoagie haulers to Ralph.
Yeah, so today we're lowering my Mk6. The next
Ralph's actually a
video.
millionaire, but he can't drive all his cars at once, so he gets his
Yes,
friends too.
I hired these guys off Craigslist to drive all my cool cars. I let this guy drive the Mini. I pay him every once in a while to drive down the highway and look cool.
Me for the E36.
All right, Kevin just got done doing this side.
Tightened some bolts. Added some shocks, some struts, some bolts, some greasy hands.
What you doing, Dad?
If anyone's ever put on struts before on a car that's not brand new, the sway bar link usually gets frozen, and the Allen key attachment for here usually strips. So now I have to cut the. That's what's left. So now I need to cut this off because yeah, we don't have another option. First, I'm going to try and lock some vice grips on here and do it that way, but I doubt it. But yeah, got to cut it off.
Always make sure you wear protective eye safety when you are cutting and strutting. All right. We're letting Brian do all the work now, and it's time for a wheelie break. Alright, after that wheelie long break, it's time to get back to this. Alright, just adjusting the coilovers and then putting the wheels back on and bringing it down. See what it looks like. We're gonna see how it sits.
Turns out we have to readjust the front of it. It's higher than it was.
It is higher than it was. The back is dumped.
The back looks good. But
This side of it.
we have to adjust the front. So we're gonna adjust the front now and then show you guys what it looks like. Alright, we're gonna go take it for a little test ride real quick. And then we'll probably have to adjust the coilovers one more time, but I think it's almost dialed in right now.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. At first we left a bunch of threads up front and it looked like a Golf, just a regular one. So we lowered it almost all the way in the front and then halfway in the back.
So hard up front. All right, man.
Alright, I'll be back. We're going to go for a little ride.
Might be okay.
See, he's going for, low car that's still practical, whereas me, I'm just like, nah, dump it. But it looks good. I think you're gonna get some wheel spacers for now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so he's gonna get some wheel spacers for now, run them on the stock wheels. And then,
20 in the back.
yeah, 10 in the front?
10 in the front, 20 in the back.
Yeah, so we're gonna order those. And then I guess it's time to do some wheel shopping. Yeah, wheel shopping. So, put a comment in the, or put a suggestion in the comment on what you think that he should run on this Mk6. Nothing that'll look, too crazy. Like, there's some wheels that only look good on Mk6s when they're bagged, so it has to look good, at this height. See if I can get a better view from here. Yeah. So it looks good. Yeah, so it's lowered. You have a low car.
Yay!
Yeah. All right, cool. Thanks for watching, guys. And we'll see you later. Later.